storm has now arrived. New working week, back to normal, and look at that, plenty of sunshine. It feels so much better now. Today's Tuesday. It was a wet night last night. Not too bad today. Again, largely cloudy skies, a few breaks. But overall, not too bad. Nowhere near as bad as last week. Wednesday today. Not too bad overall. A few showers nearby, but mostly dry. On my way this morning, on the way to work, there was an unexpected huge bang from where I was of this area. It sounded like there was walking to a very close lightning strike during a thunderstorm. It was that loud. It scared little birds away as well. It's Thursday. What a beautiful day. Well, beautiful afternoon after it's been a horrible morning. A little bit of sleet and snow. It's quite cold, but actually this afternoon it's a lot warmer. Lots of sunshine this afternoon, just as the weather forecaster predicted, although it looked like it was going to stay dull all day. And tomorrow, more sunshine to enjoy until a very changeable weekend. But turning a lot warmer though as well. Not far off 15 degrees on Saturday, very nice. So yeah, spring is actually eventually springing to life. Friday today. Bright start, clouding over now. But taste of things finally starting to turn milder. actually quite warm today, even though it's only just double figures. It's not nowhere near as cold as it has been. But it's not dry. A lot of puddles everywhere. Had a lot of rain Monday and Friday night, 10 to 20 millimetres. And more rain to come for this weekend. Not every day, but some spells. It will be pretty wet at times.